Hello everyone, in this video we'll be helping you transform your Roblox experience with these hacks. We have some useful hacks to help you transform your Roblox experience, so let's begin. The first thing you'll need to do is to learn Roblox Studio. Roblox Studio is a powerful tool that allows you to create your own games and experiences. Learning to use it can significantly enhance your experience in the platform. The next, you'll need to join Roblox communities. Engage with other players in official Roblox forums and communities. You can find tips, tricks, and resources to help your gameplay. The next, you'll need to explore different games. Roblox offers a vast library of games created by its community. Discover new and existing experiences that match your interests. Focus on improving your skills. Practice and develop your skills in your favorite Roblox games. This will lead to a more rewarding and fulfilling gameplay experience. Roblox Premium. Roblox Premium gives you access to in-game benefits and monthly Robux. Roblox official promotions and events. Roblox frequently releases official promotions and events which can give players access to exclusive items. So, what useful hacks do you use to transform your gameplay? Do let us know in the comments, and if you found any of these tips helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you in the next video.